Hey guys, we've got a 2020 Forest River Cherokee here for sale. You can view it in Frisco, Texas. Let me walk around here, give you a good view of it. So it's got a little outside grill on it, a couple burners underneath here, ice maker, small fridge. Here's your model number. It's a 264 DBH. It's got the under storage in it. Let's take a look inside. So we went through, we added wind guard Wi-Fi. You can walk around the property within about, I would say, probably 700-800 feet of the RV. Get your internet signal. We also put in a Ring alarm system to keep you safe. We've gone through, went ahead and added the flat screen, and it is a wireless flat screen, so you can get your shows all off the internet. It's perfect condition. It's got 250 miles on it. We went through and we added a new mattress. The mattress that comes with these things, it's almost impossible to be able to sleep on it. So we went through and added a new mattress. Did a few upgrades. It comes with the power cord on it. We went ahead and added a TV to the master bedroom. It's all ready to go. It's wireless also. You can watch it bounce off the wind guard Wi-Fi, see all your shows. It's got one pop out in it right here. Added some throw pillows for you. It's ready to go. It's in fantastic condition. It's in Frisco, Texas. You can come by and take a look at it if you need to. Happy bidding.